In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem. The Cloudflare is cheats your WordPress websites even if you are still logged in like this. So your admin bar, customize and another in here is showing into public or universal visitor. How to fix this problem? First, you need to add the change rules on the Cloudflare. For example, in here, just select changing and scroll down and select Chachi rules or change rules and click create rules. After that, you can give the rule name, for example, bypass login session, and in here just select custom filter expression, and for the field select cookie. Okay, and operator just select contents, and the value just type look like this: WordPress underscore logit underscore in underscore. After that, just bypass Chachi for the action and click deploy. After you deploy this Chachi rule, and make sure if you have more than one Chachi rule, make sure the bypass login is on the last, so it will be executed. After that, your website will be not cheated again by Cloudflare. And that's all tutorial how to fix a problem. Your WordPress website has been cheated by Cloudflare even if you are on the login sessions. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment. And thanks for watching.